Howick Fire, please respond at 45010 Harrison Road at Howick Central Public School for a general fire alarm. Again, it's at 45010 Harrison Road at Howick Central Public School. Crossroads are Tollgate Line and Fortwich Line. General fire alarms, key holder is pending. Time of second page is 22:03:34. Howick Fire, please respond.
Fire dispatch, call Howick Fire.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we received your page to the Howick School.
Roger that. Page received 22:04:59.
Fire dispatch, Howick 29.
Howick 29, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show 29 responding with 1.
Roger that. 29 responding with 1. 22:05:27.
26, call 29.
Go ahead, 29, this is 26.
Yeah, 26, just to confirm, 2625, roll first. We'll check on the status. We can roll 24 if there's a full truck later.
Yeah, roger that. Fire dispatch, Howick Unit 26.
26, go ahead.
Yeah, you can show Howick Unit 26 is responding, 5 on board to Howick Public School.
That's Roger, 26 responding with 5 on board. 22:07:22.
Fire dispatch, Howick 29. Dispatch, you can show 29 on scene. 201 will be command. Command will be mobile and investigating. There's nothing showing at this time.
Dispatch calling Howick 25.
Roger that. Go ahead, 25.
25 responding with 2 on board.
Roger that. 25 responding with 2 on board. 22:08:41.
Fire dispatch, call Howick Unit 26.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you can show Howick Unit 26 is on scene.
That's Roger, 26 on scene. 22:10.
Dispatch call Howick 25.
Go ahead.
Show 25 on scene.
That's Roger, 25 on scene. 22:10. Go ahead, command. That's Roger, email to Kilo on site. Alarm showing southwest vestibule. You're sending a crew in to investigate at 22:11.
201, this is Howick Station. Copy that.
Fire dispatch, this is Howick 24.
Go ahead, command. That's Roger, 3 entering for investigation as well as 205.
Fire dispatch, this is Howick 24.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you can show 24 responding, 6 on board.
Roger, 24 responding with 6, 22:16.
Yeah, go ahead, command, this is 24. Copy that. Fire dispatch, you can show Howick 24 on scene.
That's Roger. Go ahead. It's negative. Do you require them? Okay, perfect. Go ahead. That's Roger. Go ahead. Roger that. 360 complete, nothing found. 22:32:35. Go ahead. That's Roger, primary search complete, nothing found. 22:36.
Command, Howick Base. Are you needing any more manpower? Can some of these guys be released? Copy that.
Go ahead. Sorry, can you repeat that transmission? It didn't come through clearly. That's Roger. Both enter teams exit the building. Total par of 6. It is 2238. That's Roger. Command entering with key holder to silence alarm 2238.
Fire dispatch, this is Howick 2-4.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you can show 2-4, returning to base, 6 on board.
That's Roger. 2-4 returning to base. 6 on board. 2245-15.
Fire dispatch, call Hawk Command.
Go ahead, command.
Dispatch, you can show command has exited the building and fire alarm has been reset. Building is clear and being left in the care and control of the key holder. Command is terminated and 2-9 is returning with 1.
That's Roger. You've exited the building. Fire alarm reset. Building clear and left with the key holder. Command is terminated and 2-9 you're returning with 1. It's 2248.
Dispatch, call Howick 2-5.
Go ahead.
2-5 is returning to base, 2 on board.
That's Roger. 2-5 returning to.
Fire dispatch, Howick Unit 2-6.
Go ahead.
You can show 2-6's return to base at this time also.
That's Roger. 2-6 returning 2249.
Fire dispatch, this is Howick 2-4.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you can show 2-4 back at base.
Roger. 2-4 back at base.
Fire dispatch, Howick 2-9.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, 2-9 back to station.
That's Roger. 2-9 back to station 2253-13.
Dispatch, call Howick 2-5.
2-5, go ahead.
You can show 2-5 back at base.
That's Roger. 2-5 back at base 2253-39.
Fire dispatch, call Howick Unit 2-6.
2-6, go ahead.
Yeah, you can show Howick Unit 2-6's return to base.
That's Roger. 2-6 return to base 2254-34.
Fire dispatch, call Howick base.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show Howick fire back in service.
That's Roger. Howick fire back in service 2257-36.
XKU 493 Howick cleared off the air at 2257-41.